Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exquisite world of traditional fashion with none other than the stunning Mehreen Pirzada. Known for her impeccable style and grace, she has become a true fashion icon in the world of traditional wear. Let's explore some of her most iconic and breathtaking looks. Her traditional fashion choices reflect a blend of elegance and contemporary style, capturing the essence of Indian heritage while keeping up with modern trends. Often seen in resplendent saris, Mehreen effortlessly combines rich fabrics with intricate embroidery, creating looks that are both timeless and glamorous. Her preference for vibrant colors, such as deep reds, royal blues, and lush greens, adds a regal touch to her attire. Her saris are frequently adorned with delicate zari work, sequins, and stone embellishments, enhancing their opulence. She often pairs these exquisite saris with intricately designed blouses, featuring detailed patterns and unique cuts that add a modern twist to her traditional outfits. Her choice of accessories, including statement jhumkas, bangles, and maan tikkas, further elevates her traditional ensembles, exuding grace and sophistication. Her hairstyles, typically elegant buns or soft curls, complement her outfits perfectly, completing her look with a touch of classic charm. Whether attending a wedding, a festive celebration, or a cultural event, her traditional fashion choices consistently make her stand out, embodying the perfect amalgamation of tradition and contemporary flair. Her traditional fashion choices are a testament to her refined taste and keen eye for detail. Beyond her stunning saris, Mehreen often gravitates towards lehengas that showcase an impeccable blend of tradition and modernity. Her lehenga selections typically feature lavishly embroidered skirts paired with intricately designed cholis, often accentuated by sheer dupattas with delicate lace or embroidery borders. These ensembles, often in shades of pastel pinks, rich maroons, and shimmering golds, highlight her ability to choose colors that complement her skin tone and the occasion. She often opts for anarkalis with dramatic hemlines and vibrant patterns, reflecting a deep appreciation for India's rich textile heritage. Her choice of fabrics such as silk, chiffon, and georgette adds a touch of luxury to her outfits, ensuring they drape beautifully. Her attention to detail extends to her footwear and accessories. She often pairs her traditional outfits with juttis or embellished heels that match the intricacy of her attire. Her jewelry choices, whether it's statement necklaces, chandelier earrings, or intricate handpieces, are carefully selected to add an extra layer of elegance and sophistication. Mehreen Pirzada's traditional fashion choices are nothing short of a visual feast, often drawing admiration for their meticulous attention to detail and cultural resonance. Her wardrobe is a celebration of India's diverse sartorial heritage, showcasing an array of styles from different regions and traditions. Her penchant for Banarasi saris, for instance, underscores her appreciation for the rich history and craftsmanship associated with this iconic weave. These saris, known for their luxurious silk fabric and intricate brocade work, are a staple in her collection, often seen in deep jewel tones like emerald green, ruby red, and sapphire blue. Each piece is a testament to the weaver's skill, featuring complex patterns of florals, paisley, and traditional motifs that speak to the timeless beauty of Indian textiles. When it comes to lehengas, the actress often opts for designs that marry traditional craftsmanship with contemporary silhouettes. Her choices frequently include lehengas with voluminous skirts adorned with heavy embroidery, mirror work, or zari. The dupattas she selects are equally noteworthy, often crafted from delicate net or chiffon, embellished with fine lace, sequins, or gotapati work, and draped elegantly to enhance her overall look. These floor-length anarkalis often feature intricate yoke designs, elaborate borders, and flowing fabrics that create a regal and ethereal appearance. Her choice of fabrics for these ensembles includes rich velvets, opulent silks, and airy georgettes, each selected to complement the intricate detailing and enhance the garment's fluidity. Her traditional looks are often complemented by her choice of jewelry, which is carefully curated to match the grandeur of her outfits. Mehreen frequently adorns herself with heritage jewelry pieces, including polki sets, kundan necklaces, and antique gold earrings that add a touch of vintage charm to her look. She also experiments with contemporary jewelry trends, incorporating statement pieces like oversized chokers, layered necklaces, and bold, geometric earrings to create a striking balance between tradition and modernity. Her hairstyling is another aspect where she demonstrates her versatility and attention to detail. She often opts for hairstyles that range from intricately braided buns adorned with fresh flowers or traditional hair accessories like jhumar and pasa, to loose, wavy locks that lend a more relaxed and modern vibe to her look. Her makeup choices, typically featuring a flawless base, kohl-rimmed eyes, and bold lips, further accentuate her features and complement her traditional attire beautifully. Footwear is yet another element where Mehreen's traditional fashion sense shines. She often pairs her outfits with finely crafted modis or jutis, featuring intricate embroidery or beadwork that matches her ensembles. For more formal occasions, she chooses embellished heels or wedges that provide both style and comfort, ensuring she can carry off her elaborate outfits with grace. Her traditional fashion choices are a masterful blend of historical reverence and contemporary chic. Each outfit she dons is a carefully curated ensemble that pays homage to India's rich textile and craft heritage while embracing modern fashion sensibilities. Her ability to seamlessly blend these elements speaks to her deep understanding of fashion and her commitment to showcasing the best of traditional Indian attire. Mehreen Pirzada's traditional fashion choices are an eloquent testament to her refined aesthetic and commitment to honoring Indian cultural heritage. Her wardrobe frequently showcases the intricate artistry of handloom weaves, from the timeless elegance of Kanjivaram and Patola saris to the delicate finesse of chikankari and Jamdani. Each sari she chooses tells a story of regional craftsmanship, with Kanjivaram saris displaying heavy silk textures and vibrant colors adorned with temple borders, while Patola saris boast double ikat patterns that symbolize Gujarat's textile mastery. Her chikankari saris, often in soothing pastels or ethereal whites, feature meticulous hand embroidery that exudes a serene sophistication. Jamdani saris, with their delicate muslin weave and elaborate motifs, highlight the finesse of Bengal's traditional weaving techniques. Beyond saris, her affinity for traditional salwar kameez and shararas adds another dimension to her ethnic repertoire. Her choice of traditional attire extends to festive and wedding wear, where she often dons bridal lehengas that are nothing short of spectacular. These bridal ensembles typically feature multi-layered skirts with extensive embroidery, from zardozi and ari to mirror work and sequins, creating a dazzling effect. The cholis are equally ornate, often designed with deep backs, elaborate sleeves, and intricate necklines that balance tradition with a touch of contemporary glamour. Her bridal lehengas are complemented by dupattas draped in classic styles, often held with traditional bridal jewelry pieces such as matha patis, nath, and heavy bridal chokers that add a majestic aura to her bridal look. She also often chooses bold pieces of polki and jadao jewelry, known for their uncut diamonds and intricate craftsmanship, which add a timeless appeal to her attire. Her hairstyles and makeup are meticulously curated to enhance her traditional outfits. She often opts for hairstyles that include elaborate updos, side-swept braids adorned with hair accessories, or soft curls that frame her face beautifully. Her makeup typically features a well-defined eye, often with winged eyeliner or smoky eyeshadow, combined with a natural or bold lip color that complements her outfit. This careful attention to detail ensures that her overall look is cohesive and polished, enhancing the traditional elements of her attire. Her traditional fashion choices are a sophisticated blend of heritage and contemporary trends. Her ability to seamlessly integrate various elements of Indian craftsmanship with modern aesthetics creates a distinctive and memorable style. Each outfit she wears is a testament to her dedication to preserving and celebrating Indian culture through fashion, making her a true icon of traditional elegance and modern sophistication. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.